Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching me from. Welcome everybody, welcome to the channel. It's in the morning and welcome to one more live trading video. And as I said, every Monday I'll be doing one live trading video to put here for you guys to see, because most of you guys who are learning to trade, you don't get raw live experience as we trade as traders, because it's very difficult to record trades when you are trading as a trader. So most people don't do real life experience, but I decided to do real life recording so that you also be able to get the concept of trading, because trading and learning something on the chart is different from trading on the chart itself. So when I do the live recording here, you'll be able to view the live recording, see how we trade as professional traders, what we do on daily basis, and you also be able to do the same when you open your charts. If you are also my old student who is watching me, you also be able to boost up your knowledge, because there might be some things you might have forgotten, or there might be some things you might have been doing it wrong. So you watch my live scalping videos and you'll be able to do the same. But scalping is very quick and very hard, so I don't advise you do scalping. I advise you rather trade on H1 and M15. But because I cannot record the trades on H1 and M15, that's why I try to do scalping for you guys to see. So if you want to do scalping, fine, you can do scalping. But I advise that if you're a beginner trader, you're trading, trade the same strategies on H1 and on M15. My strategies work on all time frames, no matter the time frame you're trading, H1, H4, M15, M1, M5. My strategies always work on all these time frames. So today is another day. Let's see what we can do today. Let's see what we can get today. So let me open my systems and let's start trading. Okay, so I'll open my MT5 here, and I'll open my MT5 here too. So this is what I do. I open my charts across all the screens, and now look for the pairs and see how I'm going to enter the trades. Okay, so I'm opening my MT5. Okay, so you also do the same. But guys, you don't need plenty screens to be able to do trading. You just need only one monitor, or you can use your phone. Yes, I don't advise you use your phone. I advise you use your laptop or just one or two monitors. Okay, but for me as a professional trader, because I've been trading for some time, I always like to have different views of the market. Okay, with experience, I want to have different views of the market. So I normally like opening my chart across the whole screen so that I'll be able to get proper view of what actually I want to trade. Okay. Now let's begin with the currency trade meter. Let's begin the currency meter. So on the currency meter today, as we can see, always analyze your chart from H4. Okay, I've always been saying it. On H4, you can see that the AUD is strong and the CAD is weak. So if I want to find a trending market right now to trade, I will search for AUD CAD, because the stronger guy is chasing the weaker guy. This is logic, right? This is simple logic. If the stronger guy is chasing the weaker guy, then the market will definitely be trending. So I see that the AUD is strong, the CAD is weak. So if I want to find a trending market, you see that the market will be trending. When I open the chart, the market will be trending in some way, not perfectly trending, but the market will be in one direction, or the market will be in the mood for one direction. If I want to trade ranging market, I will merge AUD with the euro. I can see that the euro is strong, the AUD too is strong. Both of them are strong on the H4. If both of them are strong on the H4, which means all the lower time frames are going to behave in the same way, because they have to follow their parent time frame, right? So let's say I want to trade AUD and the euro. I will find the market ranging, not perfectly ranging as we show you with the with these lines, but you said the market will be in the mood to range. And when you begin to trade ranging strategies on that particular mode of the market, you're going to get most of them to be wins. You see, trading, you trade with an edge. You find techniques. You find simple things that gives you an edge in trading. So you search for a market which is already in the mood to range. Then you trade ranging strategies. You search for a market which is already in the mood to trend. Then you trade trending strategies. It doesn't mean that when the moment you open your chart, you just buy every time the market is going to trend. No. But the market is already in the mood to trend, which means when you take those strategies, trending strategies in that particular market, it's likely you're going to get more of them to the wins. That's an edge in trading. That's what we call edge. So if I want to trade a ranging market, I'm going to trade euro and the AUD. You'll find that when I open the chart, the market will be ranging, not actually ranging perfectly, but it will be in the mood to range. So I'll open my euro AUD charts. I'll go to File, New Charts, Euro AUD, and as you can see, the template is black, so I have to insert my own template. So fine, I have my white template. Now this is H1, so I must take my trade on M1, right? Because I'm scalping. So go to M1 and then take my trade. So as you can see on the AUD, Euro AUD, as you can see on the M1, can you see market is ranging? Let me zoom it out. market is ranging. So what can I see? You can see that I can draw my support zones around this area. Can you see my support zones down here? This is where the market opened, and then I can also see some support zones up here. So I'll draw my support zone here, and then I draw my support zone through here. So you see the chart now looks very clean from this moment. See the chart now looks very clean. Can you see? Chart looks clean. So what I'm going to put my buy limit order, and when market come back, I will just take my trade. So my buy limit order, I'm going to put 2 buy limit orders, then put it in, and then I'm going to take my trade. Okay. Okay, so the market is closer. The market is closer now. It looks like the market wants to log us in. My buy limit order is placed. Can you see? Good. Let's wait for the market to log us in. So now that we've entered our we position our buy limit order, all what you can do is to wait for the market to log us in. Okay, so let's wait for the market to log us in. So okay, we are in now, guys. We are in now. We are in now. So the next thing I have to do is to set my take profit target and my stop loss criteria. So I'll just set my take profit target. I want to risk $300. $300. I've entered 2. So if all the 2 losses, I'm going to get $600 loss. But if they all win, 1 is 2 risk, what I'm going to get down $200 in profit. So let me set my take profit target and my stop loss. So my stop loss first, always stop loss first. So stop loss, then pull it, then pull it, then pull it down. Stop loss 300, 300, 300. Good. 300 and another one, another 300 because there are 2. Another 300. Good. And my take profit target now. Yes, 600. Another 600. 600. Good. So we are good to go, guys. Take profit target also set. So what we can do is just wait for the market to now hit our stop loss or hit our take profit target. Okay, we don't do anything. We just have to wait for the market to hit our stop loss or hit our take profit target, and we are out. As you can see, immediately the market is moving. Can you see the market is spiking? Market is spiking. So good. You can see this is where we are taking our profit target. So let's wait for the market to reach there. Okay. Okay, so let me just pause the recording up and come back. Okay, let me pause that and come back. Guys, can you see? Wow, see the spike? Can you see the spike? Can you see the spike? You can see there is a very big spike. So either way, but before you go, let me explain to you why I took the trade again. Let me explain to you again. So as you can see, there's a support zone here. Can you see? Support zone here. Can you see? And there's support zone 2 up here. So this support zone up here and the support zone down there, they are the barriers. Okay, so I can also see one in the middle here. That's why I took the trade. And I'm going to take my profit target there. That's all. Simple. Very simple and a very clean chart. So now that we are in, all what you can do is just wait. Let's wait and let me play with my mouse, or let's wait. Okay, so this is where I entered my. That's why I'm taking my take profit here. Take my profit here. I don't have to be taking all the way up there. I just want 1 to 2 and I'm out. So I'm taking my my profit target at this zone. Okay. Okay, guys. Looks like we are almost out. Can you see? We are almost out. See. See, our take profit target 1,002, 1,001, almost 1,002. So we are almost out, guys. We are almost out. It's going to be a winning trade successfully. Okay, that's it. One is out. So let me close this one manually. So we are out, guys. We are out. Trading is over, and we are out. Profits made 1,200 and some coins dollars. So let's take it like that. Okay. Right. Okay. Trading is over, guys. Okay, guys. So as you saw in trading, you just have to make things simple. You search for a raging market, or you search for a market which is already in one mood, and then you take your trades on that particular move. Do not trade ranging strategies when the market is trending, and don't trade trending strategies when the market is ranging. That is why you have to use the currency trade meter to help you do most of your jobs, guys. Use the currency trade meter to help you to do most of your jobs, to determine which market is trending, which market is ranging. If you do that, it's very simple. Check your currency meter, go and check your charts, enter your setups, and the trade will be educated. That's all. You don't have to worry. Trading is very simple, you see. But it's also because I've been trading for some time. That's why I have experience. So you see it to be very simple as I'm doing it. The same way you must also aim to get to a point where trading becomes very simple for you as a trader. Okay. Because if you see me trading simply like this, without any emotions, it's because I'm doing it over and over and over again. One, I have controlled my emotions a long time ago, right? Because I've been trading for a long time. Two, I have experience to see different variations the market can give me. Three, when I enter my trade, I don't touch my trades. But you as a beginner, it could be that when you enter your trade, the emotions itself is fighting you, your emotions are fighting you, you are touching and those things. Number two, it could be that you don't have much experience to see several setups. So those two things are killing you, plus you yourself trading. So you see, all these three things are fighting. That's why you must aim to the point where now you become very good. When you begin at something, you are definitely not going to become profitable. Definitely, you are going to make some mistakes. But over time, aim to get to a point where now you become experienced. That should be your aim. Look at the person who is doing it well and aim to be like that person. Don't just in the beginning, you think you just begin trading and you want to be making millions and you won't make any mistake. Definitely, you're going to make mistake as a trader. Anything you do when in the beginning, you're going to make a mistake. But aim to be like the person who is already an expert without any mistake or without any emotional mistake, or the person just make a mistake, but the mistakes are what? Limited. That should be your goal as a beginner trader. Keep this in your mind every time when you are trading. Behave the same way. And as the saying goes, you practice and then you become what? Perfect. So that will be all for this live video. It's over now. Profit made. I'll just enter it into my journal. If you like this video so far, as you know, my channel is very small. Just hit the subscribe button and like my video every time when you come, okay? And if you are a beginner here, make sure that you learn and learn before you put your money in the market. You see me trading it easily, but for you, it might not be easy for you. Okay, so practice before you put your money in the market. That will be all for this video. This is OWAS, your mentor, and signing out.